Alright guys, today we are going to make the tray. Let me adjust my camera. So for the tray, you're going to need some cardstock, some tape, scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. And you're going to start with that 6 by 6 inch square. You're getting tired of it? This is the last one for a while. That starts at a 6 by 6 inch square. All right, there's your 6 by 6 inch square that I'm sure you know how to make. And then go ahead and chop it out. Look at how many yellow ones I've made. I've got a 6 by 6 inch square cut out of a lot of them. Okay. Now along the bottom, we're going to place a dot at 1 inch. Just do this one here. All right, now it wants you to draw a line, a 1 inch line here. One. Now it says to place dots on the left and the right down at 1 inch, but it's gonna draw the boxes. So now we have 1 inch boxes on each corner, 1 by 1 inch. All right, now it says to cut vertical lines, top and bottom. So we're not gonna cut a line here or here yet. Gonna do the top and the bottom. So now I've cut lines on the top and on the bottom of the 1 inch squares, but not on the sides. Now it says hold the ruler on the lines and fold and crease. I guess it's gonna help make a good fold. Now I can't pick it up. So holding the ruler to make a clean line. There we go. You're gonna make like a box, so crease that part up. Crease this side up. Crease this side up. And crease this side up. But it says to paste with the box corners inside the box. Going to go around and do that. And I like to put some tape on the outside as well. The next craft is the book corner, and it's my favorite one. These make great gifts because, you know, everyone needs a bookmark. And here is your little tray. You can just put just about anything in it. Make some for different rock collections. Or to sort colored beads in. You can put yellow beads in your blue bin. And blue beads in the yellow bin. Because I like to be funky like that. Alright guys, are you enjoying these paper Sloyd tutorials? Let me know if they've been helpful to you. Here are the original paper Sloyd by Edith Ann Reich. Actually, I think her name is Ednah. I just say Edith. Here's the box that we made today. And I hear my kids' bedtime alarm going off, so I've got to go. Bye.